Here we have a charge q is placed at each of opposite corner of a square. A charge q is placed at each of the other two corners. Then the net electric force on charge q is 0. Then q by q equals to. So it is saying that we have a square here, and on that square, so this is our square here, and on this it is saying that two charges q is placed at each of the opposite corners. So here we have a charge q, and here we have a charge q here. Then a charge q is placed at each of the other two corners. So there we have a charge of q, and here also we have a charge of q. If the net electrostatic force on q is 0, so on this net electrostatic force it is saying to be 0 here. Okay, so we have to find the value of q by q. Alright, so due to this one, I can say that the electric force on this will be repelling like this way. Due to this one also electric force will be repelling, and due to this one also electric field will be repelling here like this way. Now if I write the magnitude, let us take E as kq by r square. Okay, let's say this length is a here. So E, I am writing it as a kq. If I write electric field, then this is k q by a square. Here also E equals to k q by a square, and here the electric field will be E equals to kq square divided by root 2 times a square. So distance is root 2, so this will become 2a square. Now I can say that the resultant of this electric field and this electric field will be in the same line. So E net, if I write, then E net will be kq square by 2a plus k q by a square times root 2, because the resultant of this electric field and this electric field will be on this line only. Okay, because they are equal, so it will be along the angle bisector. Now according to the requirement of the question, this electric field has to be 0 here. So we can put this electric field value equals to 0, and when we put electric field equals to 0 here, then we are going to get q by q square by 2a, that should be equals to q root 2 minus times a square. Okay, and this will be also square here, so a square. So you can see that a square and a square will cancel, q and q square will cancel. So we got q by q equals to minus times 2 root 2. The correct option is option 3rd.